Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you how can you collect Razorpay payments on your landing page so that you can have more automated flow on your business. This works for coaches, consultant trainers, or anyone who is trying to sell. Now, the strategy that I'm going to share with you doesn't require you to learn coding skills or WordPress or anything. It's a simple strategy. So there are two things that we need. One is a landing page, a Razorpay account, and a thank you page. So what I'm going to show you is first I will draw the strategy, and in the next part I'll show you how the technicals, how to set up that automation flow so that you can collect your payments on your landing page effortlessly, right? Without wasting time, let's jump into the section. So by the way, the first thing that we require in this strategy is to have a landing page. Let me draw a landing page here. Okay. Let's call landing page with a button. Okay. By the way, if you don't know how to build a landing page on your website, or like if you are looking some kind of landing page strategies, make sure to click the link below in the description where I have a free course on how to build landing pages and how to build funnels, which is a great tool which we use, Builderall. There's a free training. You can jump in and learn all these things, how to create a beautiful landing page. So in this, we will let's say, for example, we'll tell that, okay, hey, click on this. The price is 99 rupees. Now, when a person click on this, this action will redirect to a Razorpay. Okay, a Razorpay. A checkout where people will fill their email address, phone number, and they click on this button, and where there are multiple options like UPI, net banking, and credit card, debit card, wallets, everything will come in this option, because India is a such a country that like there are so many kind of payment options are available. Now after the payment is become successful, now next is we send them to, hey, thank you page. Okay, a thank you page where people will know that the action that they performed here is successful. So this is a simple strategy. Basically, we need one Razorpay account and one landing page builder, where this is the first thing, this is the second thing, and this is the third thing. So these are three things. Right now, I'm going to share with you in demo. So here I am on my Razorpay account. So first thing is you need to have your Razorpay account created and also get your KYC verified. Because if you don't have your KYC verified, you can't collect more than 10,000 rupees on your Razorpay account. Now, once you create it, you need to go to payment pages. Okay, well, let's create a payment page. So this is simple and straightforward. And let me come and click create payment page. So I'll not go anywhere here on different options. I'll just go and click create your own, and it is simple and straightforward. What I'll do is enter the page. Okay, Razor demo, and what I'll do is the amount that I wish to collect, I will click on this, and I want to either collect the fixed amount, or I'll give the option for customers when they are about to pay whatever they want to wish. Okay, but I'll be collecting a fixed amount. So amount will be like I can change this amount to investment, and I can say 499 rupees and click save. And what are the options that you want to collect? Let's say, for example, email, and I want to collect one more field, which is a name. So input field, click on input field, and you can collect the there is no name option. So what we'll do is collect name, or I can say full name. And also if I want to collect a phone number, well, I will add this, click on this. Okay, phone or WhatsApp number. So this way we can collect this. So if you want to add actually more description or social media icons or whatever it may be, it is looking for you. So you can do this. So this is a demo description. Okay, and you can either this is a headline, and you can put this as a headline. Okay, or bold or change the colors, whatever you want to wish, what your wish. If you want to upload video or if you want to upload a photo or something, you can do it. So what we'll do is we'll just click on create and publish page. Okay, it's asking me to enter the support number. What I'll do is I'll add some sample number. Okay, and click on okay. Now the payment page has been published. So you can customize this URL if you wish. Okay, I'll put okay, instead of remove this and demo Razorpay. Okay, I can put this and I'll click on save. Now here either you can give directly this customized URL or copy this and share with the audience where they can actually do the transaction. But for us, in order to work on embedding on the landing page and make sure that the page is redirected to thank you page, we need to do something on the Razorpay and also on the landing page. Now, since we have created the link here for the payment page, we need to do something on the landing page so that when someone clicks on the button, the page will redirect to this thing. Okay, let's check how the things are working with this page. I copied this URL and I pasted it here and searching on the, okay. So the demo pages look like this. So what I will do now is I'll go and create a landing page and embed this URL on the button. So while you're creating your landing page or funnel, what you need to do is you need to have multiple pages that actually perform this action. So let's say congratulations email and thank you page is a page, sorry, congratulations page and thank you page. So I'm selling something on the congratulations page so that people like I'll get paid. And what I want is once the payment is done, I want to people to get transferred to the thank you page. Let's see how these pages look. Okay. So this is a page where I am trying to sell. And yes, I want to master the persuasion. Now, this is a button. By the way, if you don't know anything about landing pages or funnel, I have a free course out there. Please check in the description where you learn the strategies on building the funnel and make money, because this is a high income skill that everyone needs. So what I want to do is a button I can create. After I created the button, I'll set the link. Okay, set the link. Click on this. Okay. Now what I need to do is a pop-up will come where I need to set the link. Now what I'll do is I'll give the Razorpay checkout link, which I've just created, the Razorpay page. And what I said is the target should the page should open in the same tab, not in the new tab. Now I'll click select and it will be saved. Now what happens is in the Razorpay, when we click on that page, on the button, it will take us to this Razorpay demo. Now what should happen if the payment is successful? Now here what we need to do is we need to go to page settings and we need to set here what should happen after the payment is successful. What should happen is we need to send the people to this congratulations page. Okay, this is a congratulations page which I have created. Go and please check your email inbox for access details, or join Coach Funnels is one of my community. So this is the page that I wanted to show them. Now what I need to do is I'll go here and get the URL of this page. So what is the URL of this page? Is thank you. Okay, thank you page. So by the way, if you are still worried, like if you don't know anything, if you are something new, make sure to enroll into the course. So here is what it happens. Okay, after the action becomes successful, the payment will be redirected to thank you page and click on save. Okay, go back to dashboard. Boom, that's it. So your setup is done and you can go and collect the payments, how it works. So let's check how the flow is working in the real time. So this is my landing page. What I did is I clicked on this button. So it should take me to the Razorpay. Okay, now I got into the Razorpay. What I'll do is my name is Umesh at the rate Umesh okay, at the iClub.in Umesh, and I'll say blah 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 number. Let me put some number here. Okay, so I paid. Click on pay and I should receive multiple options. So what I'll do is I'll pay with UPI, and let's see how the things go. Okay, I'll pay with a QR code. So I'm paying it, and let's see how the things go. What happens after the payment is done? It should take us to the thank you page. So the payment is done from my side, and let's see how it will work. So it is showing the redirecting. Okay, it's automatically taking us to redirect. So this is how the Razorpay flow works on landing pages. You don't need to, learn a lot of automations, or not automations. You don't need to learn about coding and everything. This is the basic video, basic flow right now, which will help you. In the next video, which is a part 2, where I'll show you what are the details that you have collected in the payment page. How can you integrate it with your email marketing tool, right? So that is done through Zapier and webhooks, which we'll discuss in the next part. Thanks for joining in. I'll see you in the next video.